How to use Meta Business Suite. Hi everyone, in today's video I'll walk you through how to use Meta Business Suite to manage your Facebook and Instagram business accounts. It's a powerful tool for streamlining your social media management, so let's get started. First, log into Meta Business Suite at business.facebook.com using your Facebook credentials. If you don't have a business account set up yet, you'll be prompted to create one. Once logged in, you'll see the main dashboard, and this is where you can access notifications, performance insights, and recent activities. It provides a snapshot of your business's social media performance. Navigate to the Pages section to manage your Facebook and Instagram pages. Here, you can switch between different pages, review insights, and create posts. To link your Instagram account, go to the Accounts and follow the prompts. To create a post, click on Create Post. Choose your desired platform, Facebook, Instagram, or even both. Add your content, including text, images, or videos, and schedule your posts to go live at a specific time. This helps you plan and maintain a consistent posting schedule. Check the Insights tab to monitor your page's performance. Track metrics like engagement, reach, and audience demographics to understand how your content is performing and make data-driven decisions. Use the Inbox section to manage messages and comments from your followers. This helps you stay engaged with your audience and respond promptly to inquiries. And that's a quick overview of Meta Business Suite. It's a comprehensive tool to help you manage your social media presence more effectively. For more tips and tutorials, check the description, and thanks for watching.